Let me ask you, what kind of Chinese food you like? I'm referring to whether you like Cantonese, Sichuan, Teochew, Hokkien, Beijing. And for me, I like all of them. Today, I would like to make a dish which combines Cantonese and Sichuan. And I'm going to show you our family recipe, how to make a spicy garlic chicken. So today I would like to make a chicken dish, and primarily I will use the Cantonese seasoning and also alongside with it the Sichuan seasoning. So it is a combination of both. And this is light soy sauce. I would like to use some light soy sauce to marinate the chicken along with some cornstarch. Some cornstarch, some Chinese wine, a bit of ground white pepper, seasoned with some salt, and also add a little bit of vegetable oil. Okay, so combine all these together, and today I'm not using chicken thigh meat, I'm using chicken breast, so it is important to marinate it. And the marinade, especially the light soy sauce, is a little bit acidic. It helps to tenderize the meat. Also the wine and the cornstarch helps to protect it from the direct heat during pan frying and helps not to overcook it. Mix and let it marinate for about 20 minutes or longer. And I'm going to prepare other ingredients right now while waiting for it to get it marinated. While waiting for the chicken to get it marinated, I heat up some oil, not too much. And when it's heated up, I'll add the Sichuan peppercorn inside it. And the goal of doing it is I want to extract the flavor of the Sichuan peppercorn and infuse the flavor into the oil. And then I will discard the Sichuan peppercorn because I do not want to bite onto the Sichuan peppercorn when I eat the chicken. So it will take quite a short while, about half to 1 minute over low heat. So it only takes about half to 1 minute, and I can really smell the Sichuan peppercorn flavor. So now I want to put it into the pan that I'm going to use it to saute my garlic. To do that, I just need to use something like a sieve and pour it over, and it effectively remove all the Sichuan peppercorn that I do not want, and the flavor of the peppercorn will then be inside the oil. Now I heat up the oil that has infused with the flavor of the Sichuan peppercorn, and then I add the garlic and ginger into it. When it turns aromatic, I'll then add a large tablespoon of doubanjiang or chili bean paste, which is quite widely used in Sichuan cooking. And a dry chili that has cut into sections. I can't take too much spicy food, so I just put one. You can put more depending on the level of spiciness that you can take. And add some oyster sauce, which is typically Cantonese. So it is a hybrid of Cantonese and Sichuan flavor for this recipe. Okay, I'll set this aside, and now I want to pan fry the chicken by using another pan. Okay, I'm using a non-stick pan to pan fry the chicken because I want to minimize the use of oil. Put it into single layer, pan fry one side until slightly brown and then the other side. Okay, it's done now. So I've removed it, and now we get back to the sauce that we have done just now. Heat up the sauce and then put the chicken inside and combine. It's a very straightforward cooking method. Very glossy, nice color. And the final step, add a little bit of sesame oil. Again, this is Cantonese. And a little bit of the crispy garlic that I have prepared earlier. So the crispy garlic will enhance further the spicy garlic chicken flavor. I already have the garlic, the fresh garlic earlier. Now we have another one that is a crispy garlic, deep fried crispy garlic. Okay, done, and I remove it and put it onto a serving plate. Simple cooking, yet it combines the Sichuan and the Cantonese flavor. Toasted sesame seeds to enhance the flavor, and also the crispy garlic. So we have the fresh garlic and also the crispy garlic. And lastly, some green onion, some red chili pepper to make it even more colorful. Simple and delicious. This is my recipe, spicy garlic chicken that includes the Sichuan and Cantonese flavor. So if you are running out of recipe, you don't know what to cook, this is the one. And I've included the recipe in the description box below the videos, and also I will put it at the end of this video for your reference. Thanks for watching, and I hope you see you again in some other similar video. Don't forget to subscribe, tap the notification, and give me a thumbs up. See you again. Bye.